So yun mga kameme, day 5 po ng paggawa natin dito ay nag-nailing po tayo ng bamboo flooring natin dito. Yun po, hindi pa po tapos itong 1/3 part nya. Mayroon pa tayong 2/3 part doon sa kabila. Pero at least po medyo okay na kasi po makapagalaw tayo ng libre dito sa taas na. So yan po, sinamahan po tayo kaninang umaga dito ni Sir Agrina Adventures. Pero ngayong hapon po kasi ay nagmamadali siyang makababa ng barangay kasi po isang gabing natenga yung kanyang motorsiklo dito kasi nga umulan kahapon. Kaya dahil may gagawin siyang importante doon sa barangay, binaba niya po yung kanyang motorsiklo nang nagka medyo dry na yung daan pababa. So ito na po, ang kulang na lang talaga yung bubong natin, yung ating 4 lanes at saka rafter po ay hindi pa yan fully tapos dahil medyo kapos po dito, magdudugtong tayo ng konti dito, pero okay na po yan. At saka yung ating sahig na 1/3, 2/3 na lang yung natira, at saka yung ating mga bubong po ay 10 pieces pa lang po kasi ang naipadala dito. Kulang pa yung budget, hinahanap hanggang ngayon. Pero sisikapin matapos po ito bago matapos yung month of November. Kasi nga po, first week of December, iaakyat na talaga dito yung ating kambing na galing po ng PCA via Department of Agriculture and Bureau of Animal Industry na rin. At saka sa tawag doon, pangangalap na rin ng ating Leon Goat Racers Association at saka ng ating LGU Leon. At saka marami pang mga kaibigan na tumulong po dito. Yun po. So, day 5 po ngayon. At least po may nagawa po tayo. Ito pa lang pagpapako pa lang nandito ay naku, napakadami ng time maubos mo. Especially po pag masakit yung sikat ng araw. Lalong gaya po ngayon, masakit pa po. Dahil hindi pa po nailagay yung bubong. Kung may bubong na sana tayo, kampante na tayo dito sa gagawin natin dito sa ilalim. Pero yun po yung mga pinaghihintay natin, yung bubong natin. Kulang pa kasi. Tsaka hindi natin po basta-basta may lagay dyan na paano, pa konti-konti o ano lang, pa installment pero pwede na rin po, pero mas maganda sana kung dito na lahat yan para isang ano lang, isang gawaan lang, eh medyo ano talaga, matapos-tapos na po talaga. So ito update lang po natin ito sa day 5 po nating pagtatrabaho dito. Yun yung bubong namin kahapon ng umulan ng biglaan. Hanggang dito na lang muna, Agritechnics TV po still, mga kakambing. To all of our friends out there, thank you so much. God bless us all.
All the dreams and be apart. Don't give up, never stop. He will help you reach the star. Though maybe you don't understand, all the dreams and trust His heart. Dark storm on horizon, approaching over you. Afraid, my friend, somebody loves you so. I'll be there, just call my name. I will never fail. Hold on tight, just say a prayer. I'll never leave you there. When you're down, try to stand. He'll send you a helping hand. Your life is not just fantasy, all the dreams and be apart. Don't give up, never stop. He will help you reach the star. Though maybe you don't understand, all the dreams and trust His heart. All the dreams and never let it go away. The very things to you I can say. Dust yourself from falling, just go on, and you will see. You and me together, all the dreams forever. When you're down, try to stand. He'll send you a helping hand. Your life is not just fantasy, all the dreams and be apart. Don't give up, never stop. He will help you reach the star. Though maybe you don't understand, all the dreams and trust His heart. When you're down, try to stand. He'll send you a helping hand. Your life is not just fantasy, all the dreams and be apart. Don't give up, never stop. He will